Sammy call. Zach out.
It's gonna come out. I thought I fixed it. Yo, I thought I fixed that shit. It's still going.
I'm on the front street. One last. Two car. Alright. On the one is going to be Roc. Roc on the one, where we're rocking.
What a...
Come down here.
Oh, okay, I got
Halfway
you.
down,
On the white lines on the
right there is probably good. Alright, on the two is going to be Jaden. Jaden.
I thought I fixed the damn mess. This one's still crackling.
I got no transponder for nothing.
Yeah. It did shit last week. I thought I fixed
Alright,
it, but
on the three is going to be Sammy.
apparently I
Go in the
didn't.
middle with the game. So we're going out there. Alright.
He won 30
on
in
the four is
class.
going to be Angel. And the five is going to be Rick. Alright. Drivers of the 5-minute race. On the toe. Beep.
Sorry. Oh, there's my revenge.
Oh.
Alright, come around for the first lap. It's going to be Roc out front. Let's see how this shakes out. Roc's going to be in the light blue. Finally figured that thing out. It's not making a horrible noise anymore, hopefully.
It is.
Only a little bit. Not as bad as it was. It was way worse.
4 minutes left.
Oh my god, it sounds horrible. Good lord. This thing sounds bad, dude. What is it? What did he hit? Extra battle going out of back straight. Blue versus blue. Your number 3 is gonna be a Sammy. No, your number 4 is Sammy. 3 is gonna be 1 and 2 is gonna be Roc up to the 1, Jace to the 2. Sammy to the 3, Ricky to the 4, and Angel to the 5. No, Ricky to the 5. Angel to the 3. That's your battle 1 and 2 up front. Your battle 3, 4, and 5 in the back. Taking 2 votes out of this one.
3 minutes left.
2 down, 3 left to go. Started out, 2 there left to go. Real leader is making all that noise up front. Somehow it's still running. We don't know how. It's beautiful. Making his way back to the 5-pack right now. But Jason's hot on his heels, trying to wrangle him in. Trying to get as close as he can. If he can get within striking distance, he's got the car to do it.
2 minutes left.
So it all depends on if the mucus falls apart or not. Hasn't fallen apart yet, but it is making some awful noise. Oh man, Jade's making some time through the 5-pack. Let's see if he has a shot at him. He's going to go inside. Did he make it 6? He didn't. Oh, catches him. Oh, Jade, you could have had him. Pass it clean, pass it clean. With 1 minute and 30 left to go, Jason might get another shot at this. You're taking 2 bucks either way, guys. Just don't break the car. So you our guys are 1 and 2 right now. And number 3 is going to be Angel. 4 is going to be Ricky. 5 is going to be Shannon. There's a battle going down the back straight. They're trying to fight it out 1 and 2.
1 minute left.
Let's see if Sammy can reel in Ricky for that fourth spot. Mugen versus, I think, a Loki. I'm pretty sure Ricky's won a Loki. Oh man, Attack goes inside. Associator goes inside.
45 seconds left.
Oh, and he goes over top of this. A battle to watch right now. Going back to the doubles right now. Associated versus Mugen. Roc versus Jaden. Let's see what happens when someone runs the line. 30 seconds left.
30 seconds left.
Let's see if Roc has anything for Jaden. He's looking up. He's looking over. He went inside of him. Jaden made a mistake. This is going to be most likely your last lap. Just like I said, guys. Remember, you're both bumping, so I would ride it.
15 seconds
break
left.
The car. It's not worth the position on the clock to break your car. I mean, even if you broke it, you know you did a good finish. Your leader is your blue car. Blue car is your leader.
4, 3,
Blue car.
2, 1.
I just wait there. Oh, God, I knew that was going to happen.